சக்தியே ಬಂಗಾರ ಅಡಿಗಳೇ ಓಂ ಶಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಬಂಗಾರ ಅಡಿಗಳೇ ಓಂ ಶಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಬಂಗಾರ ಅಡಿಗಳೇ
Om Sakti, Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. Envy, man's internal enemy. Why should it be eradicated? Well, it certainly guarantees the downfall of oneself, both on the temporal and on the spiritual planes. Can we stay away from envy? Here are some simple tips to overcome that debilitating negative emotion. Ratify with Amma. That is, every time we feel jealous of something or someone, let us ask ourselves this question. If Amma asks me at this moment what I feel now, can I honestly tell her what I feel? Will Amma be happy about it? If we are primarily Amma's followers, devotees or votaries, this will jolt our thoughts and cleanse them. The next tip is understand that there is an unknown side. Think honestly for a second. Do I really know the complete past journey of this soul I feel envious about? Do I know anything about what that soul has gone through or what the person had done in all his or her previous births to deserve the current good? And the last tip, no one has it all rosy. We can remind ourselves that what we see is not the complete picture. We have no idea what the person is suffering in an area we have absolutely no view of. For all we know, we may be better off than the other person in many ways. So let us remember the acronym RUN to run away from envy. R for ratify our feeling with Amma. U for understanding that there is an unknown side. And lastly, N to remember that no one has it all rosy. Om Sakti.
செங்கல்லில் தங்கத்தை தேய்த்தால் அந்த செங்கல்லிலும் தங்கம் ஒட்டிக்கொள்ளுமடா மகனே. பாலகனோடு இணக்கமும் உறவும் வைத்துக்கொண்டு வணங்கி வந்தால் செங்கல்லான உனக்கும் என் அருள் சேருமடா மகனே.
Son, when gold is rubbed against a brick, some of it rubs off onto the brick. If you closely connect and worship my beloved son, you too, like the brick, shall receive my grace.
When one keeps company of spiritually inclined people or spiritual aspirants, one tends to have pure, divine thoughts all the time. When we commit to live a life in communion with Bangaru Amma and perform charity, selfless service, we will eventually attain self-realization and be in union with the Supreme. Om Shakti.
ஓம் ஆதார சக்தி அண்ணலே போற்றிவோம்.
Praise be unto you, who is a witness to all activities of the cosmos.
ஓம் சகஸ்காரம் ஸ்தி சாதித்தோய் போற்றிவோம்.
Praise be unto you, who has raised the Kundalini Sakti to the Sahasrara or crown chakra.
ஓம் கோபாலர் குலவிளக்கே போற்றிவோம்.
Praise be unto you, who is born to Gopalar and who lives as the pride of the clan.
ஓம் மீனாம்பிகை தவ கொழுந்தே போற்றிவோம்.
Praise be unto you, who in this incarnation chose to be conceived in the divine womb of Mother Meenambikai.
ஓம் காளிதாசன் கண்ட தமையனே போற்றி ஓம்.
Praise be unto you, who in this birth came to be the brother of Kalidasan.
ஓம் இலக்குமி பெருந்துணையே போற்றி ஓம்.
Praise be unto you, who blesses us and lives with the beloved consort Lakshmi.
ஓம் வரலக்குமி வணங்குஞ் சோதரா போற்றி ஓம்.
Praise be unto you, who is a brother to a devoted sister Varalakshmi.
ஓம் மாரித்தாய் பெற்ற மகவே போற்றி ஓம்.
Praise be unto you, who is considered as the son of Mari, the ancestral deity.
ஓம் துர்க்கை காவலா போற்றி ஓம்.
Praise be unto you, who is Durga Devi, the mother who eradicates evil and brings in righteousness.
ஓம் துளசி சேகரா போற்றி ஓம்.
Praise be unto you, who manifests as holy basil that protects one from all kinds of illnesses.
Happy birthday, Amma! Om Shakti Adi Parashakti. Happy birthday, Amma.
Om Shakti Amma, it's Linda from New York wishing a very, very happy birthday. This last year has been so terrible for all of us. Thank you so much for keeping us safe during this difficult time. Please enjoy your birthday, have a happy day, and we all hope to see you very soon.
Om Shakti Parashakti. Om Shakti Adi Parashakti. Om Shakti Manuvasya. Om Shakti Om Vinayaka. Om Shakti Om Kamachi. Om Shakti Om Mangala Kamachi. Happy birthday, Om Shakti Amma. Prandana Vartikal Om Shakti Amma. Kolaveri Saranam Tilaveri Saranam. Om Shakti Amma Amma Vin Tilaveri Saranam Amma. Ulanengal Sakti Nari Onga Vandam Overall Manakwayam Ninga Vanda. I love you, Om Shakti Amma.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bangaru Amma Global YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.